Chicago, has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Cook County, northern DuPage County, until 3 o'clock p.m. At 2:18 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near West Chicago and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This tornadic storm will be near Carroll Stream in Bartlett around 2:25 p.m. Roselle, Hanover Park, Medina and Itasca around 2:30 p.m. Schaumburg, Elk Grove Village, Hoffman Estates and Wooddale around 2:35 p.m. Rolling Meadows, Palatine, Mount Prospect and Inverness around 2:40 p.m. Arlington Heights around 2:45 p.m. Other locations impacted: DuPage County Fairgrounds, Harper College, Oakton Community College, Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, Wheaton College, Interstate 94 between mile markers 28 and 34, Interstate 294 between mile markers 28 and 34, Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 10, Interstate 355 between mile markers 27 and 30. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.